Good morning, everyone. We are the Admin QT, and today we present to you our proposed system, which is the design and development of a queuing system using QR code technology for the System Plus College Foundation. And here's the theme behind the study. For the introduction, students in many schools is still experiencing an inconvenient queuing process as they are still relying to the manual queuing system at their cashier services. Because of this, our team thought of designing and developing an e-queuing system using QR code technology with SMS notification feature. And for our research gap, even though technology keeps improving, many schools still rely on the traditional queuing system. This leads to long waiting times, overcrowding, and inefficiency, specifically during the payments period. While QR code based systems are already implemented to different places such as in banks and restaurants, but there are still very few studies that apply this system to educational setting. That's why our study aims to fill this gap by exploring how technology-driven e-queuing system using QR code technology can help schools like SPCF improve their cashier operations and service and students' experience. For research gap and questions, based on the identified gap, this study aims to address issues related to the manual queuing process at the school cashier. System Plus College Foundation is one of the school facing this kind of problem as they are still a manual queuing process system. As a student of SPCF, we experience all the struggles and hardship when lining up in the cashier, specifically during the payment period. To address this issue and to guide our study, the following questions are formulated. And these research questions are designed and guide the developmental of our proposed system to ensure and it address the issues to help to achieve the main objective of our proposed system. For research objectives, the main goal of our system is to develop and evaluate an e-queuing system using QR code technology that aims to reduce time, minimize overcrowding, and improve the efficiency of cashier transactions at SPCF. Through these objectives, our study aims not only to create a technological solution, but also support the school transition towards digitalization by improving efficiency and user experience in its cashier services. For our scope and delimitation, however, our system is limited only to the cashier transactions and it does not include other offices such as registrar, clinic, and libraries. Also, the system does not handle online payments. It is focused only on site transactions at the cashier itself. And the SMS notification feature is limited only for the SMS alert notification. We did not include email or mobile applications notification to keep the system simple, easy to use, and focus on its main purpose. Lastly, study the study mainly emphasized the design, functionality, usability, and efficiency of the EQWing system. For our RRL, the review literature highlights the importance of digital transformation in. For our RRL, the review literature highlights the importance of digital transformation in queue management system, using showing that automated and QR-based system improve efficiency, satisfaction, and productivity. Next, studies like Punla and Espinosa et al. Developed automated queuing system that improve enrollment and cashier processes. However, despite this advancement, the use of educational institutions remain limited. Therefore, our study aims to fill this gap by designing and developing of EQing system using QR code technology with SMS notification feature. For conceptual framework, our conceptual framework shows three key features, which is the system design, QR generation, and SMS notification. For system design, focuses on creating an organized and efficient queuing process for both students and staff. For QR generation, allow the student to get their queue number by scanning the QR code. For the SMS notification, informs the student when it's their turn to pay, helping manage crowds and saving time. These three key features improve technology accessibility, making the system easy to use and efficient for both students and cashier staff. For our research design, our study used a mixed method combining both qualitative and quantitative approach. We observe and interview the students and cashier to identify the current problems with the manual queuing with their own perspective and experience. Then after, we distribute surveys after deploying and testing our developed system to measure its usability, convenience, and efficiency. For our respondents, the target respondents of our proposed system are the students and cashier staff of SPCF. But in our paper, we had a temporarily estimated respondent since this part will be discussed on our capstone 1. But here we want to show only the formula on how to get the exact sample size or the exact number of respondents that our study needed. For our instruments, for the qualitative part, we use observation and interviews to understand the current cashier process and gathered feedback from the students and cashier staff. For the quantitative part, we use survey questionnaires with a Likert scale to measure user satisfaction, convenience, and ease of use. This tool helps us to collect an accurate data about how effective and user-friendly our EQing system is. The data collection, we gathered qualitative data through direct observation and interviews at the SPCF cashier to identify problems like long waiting time, overcrowding, and slow services. The information we collected helped us to design and develop the EQing system based on the user needs. While for the quantitative data, we gathered this data after the system was developed by giving a survey questionnaire to the students and cashier staff who use the system. The survey used a Likert scale so that we can know if our system meets the main objective and the satisfaction. We analyze the results using thematic analysis and descriptive statistics. For, for qualitative, we use thematic analysis to identify common issues, feedback, and experiences from interviews and observation at the SPCF cashier. For the quantitative, we use descriptive statistics, including frequency, percentage, and mean, to analyze survey results and to measure system performance, usability, and satisfaction. Lastly, we all combine both results to validate and strengthen our findings. This helps us understand not only a numerical results but also the real experiences of students and cashier staff by providing a complete assessment of how effective our EQing system is in improving service efficiency and reducing waiting time. And that's all our proposed system.
So let's now proceed to the Q&A portion. So for the first question, Our study addresses the inefficient and long waiting time in the traditional queuing system used at SPCF cashier. So currently, student needed to physically line up at the cashier, which is very inconvenient and time consuming and also disorganized. So the gap we identified in the current IT landscape is the lack of digital and automated queuing process in the cashier system. So question number two. Our AQ1 system improved efficiency by allowing students to get their queuing number digitally and get the update via SMS notification. Two, it enhances also security by ensuring that each queue is unique and verified through QR code. So, which is minimize errors and duplication. So the user experience improved because student can monitor their queue status remotely.
Now let's go ahead to the question number three. The main components of the system are QR code generations, SMS notification, and a well-structured queuing design. Students can scan a QR code to get their queuing number, and the system will send them a message once it's their turn. These features works together to reduce waiting time, prevent overcrowding, and improve overall service efficiency.
For question number 4, the system requires QR code generation tools, an SMS notification platform, a database and web server, and internet connectivity for real-time access, so it can be operated using computers or mobile devices by both students and cashier staff. Lastly, for the question number 5, the effectiveness of the system will be measured through surveys and interviews with the students and staff. The study will assess whether waiting time has been reduced, overcrowding has decreased, and cashier transactions have become more efficient. Feedback and statistical results will be used to evaluate the system's success and user satisfaction.